I wanted to go into management and business. I remember coming here for a business pentathlon contest that we have, and it's basically for high school students. Seeing how excited all the students were and how engaged they were just kind of made these little gears in my brain turn. I was like, wait, these students look so happy doing this.
I knew I wanted to do business, but I didn't think that would be enough of a challenge. I'm from the city. I grew up in Toronto, and I don't have any sort of ag background. And so I thought that it would be really interesting to go to Guelph and learn more about how food is produced. U of G is a great place to start a career in business because it's very hands-on, and I think there's a lot of opportunities for experiential learning.
And that has made me future ready because I feel so much more confident in how I can lead.
It's easy to enter from different sectors, and I think it's important. Having other voices can be really valuable, especially people from non-ag backgrounds like me.
Getting involved at Lang has been the hallmark of my experience. This year, I got the opportunity to be the president of the Management Student Association, and I also got a really unique opportunity to be one of the TAs for our Management 1000 course.
In first year, I joined CAMA, which is the agri-marketing club at Guelph. We come up with a new product in agriculture, and then we come up with a marketing plan and pitch the product idea in the States at the National Agri-Marketing Conference.
The community aspect that you get here is what differentiates us from a lot of the other schools that I've seen.
My sister right now, she's in grade 12. She's looking to apply to different places, and I keep telling her, you gotta come to Guelph. And it's a place where you can really feel at home and feel comfortable.
I saw the spark that Guelph had, and it lighted something in me.